Today I'm making a winter landscape using tints and shades. I have some blue paint and white paint in my palette. And first I'm going to paint a horizon line. It's a line that goes across your paper. I'll do it in the middle of my paper. And I'm going to make a wavy horizon line. You could make a straight one or a super wavy one, or one like mine if you want to. Now I'm going to take a little bit of white paint and I'm going to start filling in below the horizon line. So below the horizon line, I'm making a tint of blue, some light blue. And you'll notice I'm just dipping right into the white paint when I still had some blue paint on my brush, and it's already creating that tint. So I'm leaving the plain blue alone and just dipping into the white, and if I want a little more blue, I can just dip right into the blue. I don't even have to wash my brush off. So now I filled in below my horizon line with a tint of blue. Now I'm going to use some black, and I'm not washing off my brush. I'm just dipping into the blue first, painting above the horizon line. And now I'm going to take a little bit of black to make a shade of blue, a dark blue. This is the sky. Below the horizon line with the white and the tint, we painted the snow, and now we're painting the night sky with a shade of blue. And I'm just dipping into the black, dipping into the blue once in a while, and spreading it all over my paper. Now, while the paint is still wet, I'm going to take the end of my brush and I'm going to make some designs right into the wet paint. I can draw them right in. I'm making swirls that could represent wind. And I can also make some snowflakes or stars just by drawing some X's with an extra line through them. You can draw whatever you want with the back of your paintbrush. But I like doing lots and lots of swirls to look like a cold, windy night. All right, now that my landscape is finished, I'm going to put my paintbrush and my paint palette in the sink. And then I'm going to put my painting in the drying rack.